Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 BMW 328. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.